and that is how to make a room look more luxurious with details, the small details that an interior designer would actually notice about your space. My name is Tia from Tia Karen Interiors, and welcome to the video. So, first things first, it's the small details that make a space feel like it has really been thought about. And there are some details that interior designers like myself would definitely pay attention to if we definitely saw them. So, this is how to make your home, your living room, look much more luxurious. The first of those is by upgrading your light switches. Most homes have the basic plastic light switches, such as these ones. And this is very basic construction standard. And how do we make that little detail look much more thought about? Use different materials, you know? Use brass, stone, a matte metal, something like that, a gold finish. And if you're renting, you don't have to worry about this because you can actually get covers for your light switches. So you just need to go onto Google for some light switch covers, and get yourself something beautiful, metallic or stone, and cover those light switches so that they're no longer looking basic. Yeah, I said this. Most light switches look basic, and that's what brings down your interior design. It's the small details, like you could furnish it with a best, most expensive sofa, for example. But then when the small details are not thought about, then your space will still look as not as luxury as it could. And I want that for you. You could also get yourself some covers for your sockets as well. So matching covers for your sockets. And that just takes that room to the next level. What's the second way in which you can make your room look much more luxurious? Now, this is something that's actually a personal pet peeve and something that brings down interior decoration a lot, is by having messy cables like visible everywhere. They're not only a trip hazard, they're not only dangerous if you have children in the space, but they're just not good to look at, and it gives this impression that the space has not been thought about in great detail. And that might not be the case. You might have actually really thought about your space and the furniture you're going to get and where you're going to place it. And it doesn't matter how much you spent or how little you spent to make it look as beautiful as you want it to look. When you have messy cables, they bring down all the design decisions that have gone into creating that space. Because if someone like myself walks in, I mean as an interior designer or someone with a savvy eye for design, or someone who is like yourself, an interior design lover, and that's why you're on this video. If you walk into that room, you're all of a sudden going to be like, cables. You're not looking like, let's say you have a beautiful credenza. You're not looking at this beautiful credenza or sideboard, right? You're looking at cables everywhere. So the price you paid for that beautiful sideboard goes down the drain. Well, not completely because it's still functional, but in terms of aesthetics, it does somewhat go down the drain because now it looks, messy because of messy cables. So, of course, when I bring up a problem, I always bring solutions. So, what's your solution if you have messy cables? Well, firstly, you want to have a little Google search because you want to search for cable covers, for cable sleeves. There are some extraordinary sleeves you can find out there for your cables, right? Or like wall adhesive cable covers so you can have all your cables safely tucked away, attached to the wall, and covered in something beautiful so they're not everywhere and being an eyesore and a danger to children in the space or a danger to eyesight. I joke, I just mean, taking away from the aesthetics of the place. So, this is how you make spaces look more elevated. We've talked about those cable covers, those wall adhesives, right? But you can also use furniture, cable trays, right? A cable tray is so important and so it's like a beautiful way of hiding your large plug point and cables and everything is everywhere. And I understand we need electricity. We live like in a different world now where, you know, we need electricity, right? And electricity brings with it cables. So I bring solutions for those cables so they're not messy and making your space look, well, not well put together. And when I talk about cables, of course, you can find cable trays in different shapes, different sizes, and different styles. You could have something more minimalistic or something a little bit more contemporary, right? Or something a little bit more modern, like this one. But then if you also like that kind of cottage-esque feeling, that kind of rustic, shabby chic feeling, right? Then you can go ahead and get yourself something like that. Whatever cable tray matches the style of your interior design, and that will help your space look much more put together. But before I go, there is one other thing that also looks super messy sometimes, and that is having cables under your tables, right? If you have a desk, a workstation, an office, a home office, you could have cables everywhere, right? And this, of course, is one solution that could work, but maybe you need it to be more accessible. Then, for those kind of situations, do not worry because solutions also exist where you could get yourself a table tray that is actually attached to your table so your cables are off the floor, they're not just flinging everywhere, they're actually in the rightful space, easy for you to access, but are not taking away from the look of the space. So I hope that you found those tips quite insightful, and I will show you my favorite one of those again, which is of course having covers for your plugs, for your switches, and your sockets. I love this. And as an interior designer, that's something that I'm definitely going to be looking at when I'm entering a room for the first time. So there are some tips to make your living room look much more luxurious with, well, little details that interior designers would actually notice. So with that, I shall leave you to have a beautiful day or evening, depending on the time that you're watching this. And like, share, subscribe if you want more interior design tips, because I love interior design. I love talking about interior design. I can talk about interior design for days. So if you love interior design or you just want to come and steal all my interior design knowledge for free, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I'll be dropping videos every week talking about something in the field of interior design. And of course, if you would like to dive deeper and learn everything I know about interior design, then check the comments because you'll find a link to the Empowered to Design course. And that's a course created to make you your own interior design from start to finish. By the end, you will have lifelong skills to be able to decorate any space, any living room, any bedroom, any home, from the one you're in now to your forever home when you're 60 and older. It has everything I love about interior design. And with that, I shall see you in my next video. Bye for now, darling.